How to change your Snapchat profile picture? To do that, first of all, make sure that your Snapchat is installed and updated to its latest version. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone. After going on the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat from the search bar and install and update to its latest version so that you won't miss any new feature from Snapchat. After you do that, you can simply go on the Snapchat like you normally do. After going on the Snapchat, you will now see the interface like this. On the top left corner, you will see your profile, and after you tap on it, you will again see an interface like this. And when you will scroll it down, you will see four options. From here, choose the option of change selfie. And you can change your selfie normally by selecting and clicking on the done button. And now your profile picture is finally changed. The next way to change your profile picture is to add story to your Snapchat account. You can also add from your photos, or you can click the photo by going to the camera option and you can add your story. This is how you change your Snapchat for temporarily by adding the story for only 24 hours. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.